Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, aka Ross Barron, and we are back with a Dollar Tree haul. So please stay tuned for all the new goodies. So y'all already know that yes, my local branch finally brought back our paper towels and our paper and our toilet tissue. You can't go wrong for $1.25. Even if I am buying double, who cares? It still has 25% more and 300 per sheets per roll. More extra. Come on, man. Can't go wrong. $1.25 each in their cleaning section. If you see it, please snag it because it's been a while. They have not brought them at my local branch for at least 2 months. So if you see it, snag it. Strong and soft paper tissue. Now in their cleaning section too. Scrub Buddies is back finally, and they bring back the 6 count. Yes. I can't stress enough how handy they are. They're hand shaped, perfect, and multi-purpose and durable. I will say 6 per package. You can't find that anywhere else. So $1.25 still worth it. Scrub Buddies in their cleaning section. Or also in their cleaning section, yes, my LA's Totally Awesome is back. My liquid detergent soap. They didn't have my citrus apple, so I opted for the original scent, but nonetheless, you can't go wrong. 30 fluid ounces, definitely worth the $1.25. Also, in their cleaning section, and I want to say kitchen section as well, they've brought back finally these plastic bags, which are perfect for storage for fruits and veggies. Sure Fresh, 13 bags as you can see. I haven't really brought them in a while, and it has also this like zipper closure, which I appreciate, and 13 bags per pack. Also, I picked up also their small baggies. They also come in handy just for small things, small items you want to kind of keep around. You want to pack if you're traveling, buy Sure Fresh as well. 40 bags as well, so you can't go wrong. Also, I've picked up also Essentials is broadening their products. Now they have kitchen drawstring bags. 13 bags per package. I will give this a try. If they're durable, I will let you guys know. This is unscented, so no lavender scents or anything, but I'm gonna give it a try. Now in their cleaning section, Essentials does have I picked up another of their closet essentials under the bed shoe organizer. These really do come in handy. I do appreciate them, and they don't have to necessarily be for shoes. You can have just a stock room full of supplies and you want to keep them tidy. This I do recommend. You kind of zip it up, put it under the bed, out of the way. So these I do recommend for $1.25. You won't find it any cheaper, not at Five and Below or any other place. Also, they have from their collection an organizer, which is nice. A nice sturdy plastic, almost looks like glass, but it's plastic. And you can keep like earrings, keys, whatever, what have you. You just want to keep tidy around the house. These come in handy, $1.25. Also, I picked up another of their standard mop and broom holder. They do hold, honestly. Nothing too heavy, just, be conscious of that. But yeah, if you want to have like one of these like really thin broom sticks or mop or just a duster, this is really great, and it'll keep things nice and tidy and out of the way. Put them behind doors, drawers, under the sink cabinets. They come in handy, and it has an adhesive, which I appreciate because I hate the ones with the screws. I don't have a power drill, so you already know. In their organizational section, I've picked up another pack of their Scotch packaging tape, and Ultra Clear by 3M. They don't bring these too often, so if you see them, trust me, grab them because they're a little expensive on at Target. I will let you know about that. And also they're just regular tape, transparent tape by 3M Scotch, 2 rolls per package. Can't go wrong. Pick that up. And also, I told you I'm not a fan of Jot, but I'm gonna give this permanent marker a try. Hopefully it won't disappoint me. It comes in black. They haven't brought anything like this in a while. They have like the thin markers, which I don't really like. I mean, I have a fine tip point, which I understand, but I like these because I like just kind of like for other purposes. I like them nice, thick, and chunky. So I will give this a try by Jot in their organization section. And then lastly, in their cooking section, how darling and cute is this? This is a spatula with a little cute heart-shaped cookie cutter. How adorable. And I will say this is nice and sturdy for, you know, the handle. Really nice. Pretty sturdy. Hand wash only, as you can see. And again, I don't like scraping my pans. It's not good. So, you know, when you see this, and especially if it comes with this bonus, come on, y'all. But anyway, and lastly, I almost forgot. Geesh. My decor. I picked up more carrots. I'm doing like a little wreath, Easter infused wreath, and I will link down the clip below. I was inspired by Bargain Bethany. She did a really cute Easter themed wreath, which you can see how she made it. And then if you see it in the background, don't be surprised where I got it from. But anyway, I picked up 2 more packages in their, you know, their springtime aisle section right now. It's really where they put all the holidays and all the cutesy stuff. So I picked up 2. And yes, with that, y'all, I will leave you. Hope you've enjoyed the new items. And let me know which one stuck out to you, which didn't.